the universe conspires to reflect your belief system back at you. Believe in abundance. Wayne Dyer. Have you ever wondered if there's more to winning the lottery than just sheer luck? What if the secret to hitting that jackpot lies in the intriguing world of quantum physics? Today, we're diving into how the fundamental principles of quantum physics could not just explain the mysteries of the universe, but also open the doors to unimaginable lottery success. Quantum physics teaches us that at the subatomic level, particles exist in a state of potential, influenced by observation and belief. Imagine applying this revolutionary idea to the way you view lottery numbers, transforming them from mere chances to real possibilities. Stick around as we explore how aligning your mindset with the principles of quantum physics could be your ticket to a life-changing win. When we think about winning the lottery, our minds often default to the realms of chance and probability, calculating odds and hoping luck is on our side. But what if we shifted our perspective to the realm of quantum possibility, where outcomes aren't just left to chance but influenced by our own beliefs and observations? Imagine seeing each lottery ticket not just as a gamble, but as a potential quantum field where your positive mindset can impact the result. This isn't just hopeful thinking, it's applying the observer effect from quantum physics, where particles change behavior based on observation. Harnessing this power begins with your mindset. Believing in the possibility of winning can help collapse the wave functions of quantum particles into the reality you desire. It's about certainty, knowing in your heart that what you're aiming for can and will materialize. This certainty not only influences how you perceive the lottery, but also aligns your emotional state with your desires, making you a magnet for positive outcomes. Now, consider the practice of visualization and affirmations. These aren't just feel-good strategies, but powerful techniques that align your subconscious with the outcome you're aiming for. By visualizing yourself winning and using affirmations, you're effectively programming your mind to expect and receive wealth. Handling your lottery tickets with intention is part of this. Treat them as already winning tickets, enhancing their quantum alignment. 1. Believe in the potential of your dreams. Quantum physics shows us that all possibilities exist until chosen. Wayne Dyer. The concepts of quantum entanglement and synchronicity also play a crucial role. They suggest that your aligned energy can influence your lottery numbers, linking your desired outcome across the quantum field. These aren't just theories but practical steps you can take, visualize, affirm, and emotionally align with your lottery ambitions, treating each step as a significant move towards manifesting your jackpot win. Expecting to win isn't just wishful thinking. In the realm of quantum physics, it actively shapes the outcomes. Believing you will win can have a profound effect on the quantum level, where potentiality governs reality. Now, pairing this expectation with the art of letting go creates a powerful dynamic. Detachment isn't about not caring, but rather about staying calm and confident, free from desperation, which aligns perfectly with quantum theories of potentiality. When choosing lottery numbers, consider using quantum concepts like synchronicity and intuition. These aren't just random choices. They're informed by a deeper connection to the universe's flow of energy. Creating an environment that supports this positive energy involves more than just aesthetics. It's about fostering a space where your mind can remain focused and uplifted, ready to receive. Interpreting signs from the universe requires an open, receptive state of mind. Whether it's unexpected occurrences or recurring themes in your life, these are not mere coincidences but signals aligning you with your desires. Extending these principles beyond the lottery, quantum physics can be a tool for attracting wealth in all its forms, guiding you to a life of abundance. Lastly, dispelling some myths about quantum physics and manifestation is crucial. It's not about instant miracles or esoteric secrets. It's a profound understanding of how your consciousness interacts with the fabric of reality. Embracing this can transform your approach to lottery wins and life itself. As we've explored today, the principles of quantum physics can open new doors to understanding how our thoughts and environments interact with the universe to influence outcomes like lottery wins. By aligning our expectations, embracing detachment, and actively creating an environment of positive energy, we tap into a profound level of manifestation. I encourage you to experiment with these ideas, integrate them into your daily practices, and observe the unfolding changes. If you found this perspective enlightening, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights into transforming your life through quantum principles.